Chapter 5. Rodents. Mouse. The mouse is one of the most common and well-known rodent species. It is smaller than a rat in size and is often found in homes, where it can be a pest. Mice are known for their high breeding rate, with a single pair able to produce many offspring in a short amount of time. They are omnivorous and feed on a variety of food, including grains and small scraps. Their small size and ability to fit through tiny spaces help them thrive in many environments. Hamsters. Hamsters are small, fat rodents that are commonly kept as house pets. They come in several colors and are known for their round, chubby bodies. Hamsters have poor eyesight and are colorblind, relying more on their sense of smell to locate food and navigate their environment. They are nocturnal, which means they are most active at night, and they often store food in their cheeks to eat later. Hamsters are easy to care for and are loved for their cute appearance and playful behavior. Squirrels. Squirrels are wild rodents commonly found in forests, parks, and gardens. There are many types of squirrels, including tree squirrels, ground squirrels, and flying squirrels. They are known for their love of nuts, which they store in various places to eat later. Squirrels are active during the day and are excellent climbers, using their bushy tails for balance. Their agility and quick movements help them evade predators in the wild. Dormouse. The dormouse is known for its long period of hibernation, often sleeping through the winter months. It is a small, lightweight mammal, which allows it to easily cling to small plants and find shelter in tight spaces. The dormouse gained significant popularity through Lewis Carroll's novel Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, where the character of the dormouse appears in the famous tea party scene. Dormice are typically found in woodlands and hedgerows and are nocturnal, feeding on fruits, nuts, and seeds. Lemmings. Lemmings are small rodents typically found in cold environments such as the Arctic and subarctic regions. They have a rounded shape with short tails and fur that is usually brown or black in color, helping them blend into their surroundings. Lemmings are known for their high reproductive rate, and although they are often associated with mass migrations, the idea that they commit mass suicide is a myth. They live in tunnels and feed on vegetation, such as grasses and mosses. Gophers. Gophers are small rodents commonly found in North and Central America. They are known for their extensive tunneling, creating a network of holes and underground burrows. Gophers have a brown fur coat that helps them blend into the soil, offering some protection from predators. They spend most of their time underground, where they feed on plant roots, bulbs, and other vegetation. Their strong claws and large incisors are adapted for digging and breaking through tough soil. Guinea pigs. Guinea pigs are fluffy, rounded-shaped rodents that are commonly kept as pets around the world. They are gentle and social animals that enjoy the company of other guinea pigs. Guinea pigs communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, such as chirps, squeaks, and burbles to express excitement, happiness, or warn of danger. These sounds help them stay connected and alert to their surroundings. Guinea pigs are herbivores and enjoy eating fresh vegetables, hay, and fruits.